Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the Guess Who, Bert Cummings, These Eyes. Let's take a listen. You know, these eyes. Da, 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 da. There we go. Okay, so this is the Guess Who, of course, but it's Bert Cummings playing live. So you look on YouTube for when he played in Vancouver. You know, it's just the old song the Guess Who used to do, and he's singing it. And it's really cool. That's what I'm going off of, and I really like Bert Cummings, so this is going to be fun. I like not only the songs and his songwriting, but he just seems to genuinely be a nice guy, and he doesn't seem to have been, soured from, record companies and everything like a lot of musicians are. He's just very grateful to be able to play and to sing, and for people to be moved by his music. And I really feel that come across. I don't think he's blowing smoke. I think it's real, and I just like the guy so much. I'd love to meet him. Anyway, probably never will, but we're going to teach his music today. So let's take a look at the whiteboard. This is how I teach. I can also teach reading music, but I kind of specialize in people who struggle with that and just need a different way to learn. And it's not the little piano hero videos where the light bars are coming down. You're actually going to learn the chords, and we're going to talk about what's in the music. We don't leave anything out as far as understanding the music, structured music, chords, and fingerings, and just everything piano. So we'll get to it. I have a sound on here on the Kawai MP11 SE, which I love. I can't remember what the name of the old keyboard is, but funny, we're still using these, aren't we? After all this time, and these just old vintage sounds. So I'm using one of the bank sounds here for that, and it sounds pretty close. I think it might be the exact replica of it. So we're going to do that. If you're a member of WebPianoTeacher.com, you can download my sheet. This is a little snippet of it in the part 1 on the website. You can see the whole thing. Download it, look at all the lessons, and learn the whole thing. Well, we're going to go G, C in the left hand first, and the right hand's going to have E flat, G, B flat, C, and bum, bum, da, 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 da. Now, don't pedal this, guys, because we need those spaces. Da, da, and then the space. So it's E flat, G, B flat, C, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, and you say, what chord is that? If you're ever trying to figure out what a chord is, okay, what you have to do, you have to put it in music a triad alphabetical language. So if you see this jumble of letters, you need to fit it in order: C, E, G, D, F, A, E, G, B, F, A, C, however you want to. And if there's 4 letters, then you've got a 7th in there, and you need to deal with that as well. So let's take a look at it and see how we might figure it out. You have an E, a G, a B, and a C. The letters are what matters, not the flat, as we're trying to figure out what the chord is. Well, can you pick out anything in there? Hopefully you pick out C, E, G. Okay, C, E, G. And then the B is the 7th of the chord. It's a C minor, C, E flat, G, and then the B flat makes it C minor 7. It's just mixed up in this configuration. It's really hard to tell what Bert was playing. I finally figured it out, I think, because of the overtones of the keyboard and the type of recording. But that's what he's doing. E flat, G, B flat, C. Bum, bum, da, 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 da. So 2 quick, 2 more quick, and then 1 more. Bum, bum, da, 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 da. Don't use any pedal. G, C. I'm going to even show you the next chord because it's not on here because I have, but. When you're playing it, make sure your wrist is loose and flappy. That's how you do it. You don't try to control each one, and then when you feel your muscles, your bicep tightening in your arm, and your tricep, you're doing it wrong. That should be just loose, and it's all in the wrist. That's how you play these quick notes. Okay, so bum bum. Here's the next one, F, B flat, and it's F, A, D in the right hand. First time, then the second time, it's F, B flat, D. These eyes All right, so that's how you do it there. Guys, hope you enjoyed the part 1. See you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.